BBAI stock analysis and BBAI stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. Because I'm the only guy in the space that's actually done 42,000 videos and has proof of everything. So, you know, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. When I say proof of everything, I actually do have it, like right here. It's on my YouTube channel. Check it out. Specifically this, I do genuinely believe it's still yet to give me that shift. If not a deeper demand pull down, well, I guess it must give me like this. Right? This sort of thing. It is still yet to give me this. So if there's no sort of double break, then I guess I'm not going to be buying, right? So ultimately speaking, there's two ways that I'm approaching this. Because, you know, this is no news for me with BBAI. Like, BBAI for me, like, I began buying when it was $2 at the time. And that was, like, I think even last year, or was it? Yeah, it was 1st of December 2024. You see, right? So, ultimately speaking, if there's no confirmation, Matt, then I guess I'm not buying. So if you do want to, I do have a lot of previous receipts in the Discord as well. But if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K to 1 trading, click the first link in the description, get my free email.